Welcome to All About Hearing Tutorials. Today, we're going to learn how to pair your ReSound hearing devices to your iOS smartphone. The first thing is to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. You can go to the settings, go down to Bluetooth, and then make sure that you green that button or turn that button on, which will make it turn green and your Bluetooth should come on. Now that the Bluetooth is on, you're ready to go. You'll go back to your home screen and then you will find accessibility. Look for accessibility and press accessibility. Once you find accessibility, then you'll scroll down until you see hearing devices. Press on hearing devices and then turn on your hearing aids, either taking them out of the charger or by holding the buttons down for 5 seconds until they turn on. Once the hearing aids have been detected, press connect, and then you'll have a pop-up that will show you to pair. You'll pair one for one hearing aid and pair again for the second hearing aid. Once that is done, you are now connected to your hearing aids to the iOS device. Now open up the ReSound Smart 3D app on your phone by pressing the icon. It'll ask you, would you like to turn on your Bluetooth? You would say okay. And at this point in time, it's finding hearing aids that are connected to your phone. Once it's found your hearing aids, it will take a second to find them. It will then ask us to either open the battery door to restart them or put them back in your charger, or hold down the buttons. Once you've done that and restarted them, you have connected to the app and you're ready to go.